sampai di daerah Sumatera Utara. Ini namanya di Penatapan. Anda bisa tengok pemandangan dari sana. Medan. Jangan lupa tetap stay di sini bersama kami, geng 3 bersaudara. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi
To my friends in New York, I say hello. My friends in LA, they don't know where I've been for the past few years or so. Paris to China to Colorado. Sometimes there's airplanes I can't jump out. Sometimes it's bullshit that don't work now. We got our stories, but please tell me what there's to complain about. When you're happy like a fool, you let it take you over. When everything is out, you gotta take it in. This has gotta be the good life. This has gotta be the good life. This could really be the good life.
Kami sekarang berada di penginapan Jalan Setiabudi. Sekarang kami akan menuju ke Dantok. Kalau memang tidak ada halangan, mungkin kami hari Jumat akan pulang atau ke Kamis.
Oke.
Jangan lupa terus ikuti jejak kami di My Adventure. Go, go, go.
Hopelessly, I feel like there might be something that I'll miss. Hopelessly, I feel like the window closes so quick. Hopelessly, I'm taking a mental picture of you now. 'Cause hopelessly, the hopeless we have so much to feel good about. Oh, this has gotta be the good life. This has gotta be the good life. This could really be a good life, good life. I say, oh, this feeling that you can't fight. The city is on fire tonight. This could really be a good life, a good, good life. Oh, yeah, a good, good life.
Kita berada di daerah apa namanya ini?
Laboh.
Laboh. Ya, di sana ada merek. Nah, jadi katakan ini ya, di daerah Merek. Ini kita bisa melihat indahnya
Pada sore hari.
panorama Danau Toba yang jelas kita lihat di sebelah sana. Ada Tomo Samosir. Ya, mungkin kali ini kita akan kunjung lagi ke daerah Biso-Biso. Biso untuk melihat air terjun yang sangat wah kata orang. Jangan lupa tetap stay with me.
Followers.
Slip inside the eye of your mind. Don't you know you might find a better place to play? You said that you've never been, but all the things that you've seen slowly fade away. So I start a revolution from my bed. 'Cause you said the brains I had went to my head. Step outside, summertime's in bloom. Stand up.
Oke, pemirsa, para sahabat Dumai. Sekarang kami sudah berada di perbatasan Kabupaten Dairi dengan Tanah Karo. Sekarang kami lagi istirahat proses sejenak. Kita sebentar lagi akan berada di daerah Galang yang lebih 1 jam lagi. Jangan lupa ya, saksikan terus Yo.
Kalau kayak gitu itu reporter makanya Pak.
Sama kami di sini ada. Oh, enggak betul melihat. Ya, tadi sedikit ada kesalahan teknis. Ada kami lag. Udah, juga mengkoneksi video.